We are pleased to show you the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, air conditioning, alloy wheels, cruise control, power windows, MP3 player, airbags, auxiliary audio input. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.